man, it's gonna kill my gardens.
Oh.
There goes the gardens.
No.
Yeah.
Dad.
We ain't gonna have no gardens this year, baby. That's the end right there.
There could be a miracle.
No, stop. You just need to stop. Please. Stop giving me more.
There are so many golf balls. Man, the gophers really hate us. Who are the gophers? They live
The
underground.
gophers.
They live underground. Oh, the
Wow. I don't think I've ever seen so much hail. But it's not big hail, it's tiny hail.
They look like miniature snowballs.
I know.
They're golf balls. No. Damn, I feel so bad about your truck.
I don't worry about the truck.
You don't?
Nah.
It's gonna get dents in it.
Nah.
Well, the Porsche would have got dents in it.
Probably.
Good thing we don't have it. Oh, the chickens are just like, what? Just like, ooh, yummy, white balls. Yummy.
Oh man.
I bet this is gonna hit the power. And it's gonna go out again.
Definitely hitting the top. Oh. There goes the garden.
We don't know that. These are just tiny balls. They might put a few holes in the leaves.
The onions are definitely dead.
What do you mean? They live underground.
The onions. The stick. They're just the stick sticking up out of the ground.
Dad, are the onions gonna die?
Yeah. Everything's gonna die.
It's getting harder.
Oh man.
Boy, am I glad we never went up to his house.
First, ooh, that skunk better say its prayers.
Hey, come on. Come on. I think there may be a tornado out there.
What?